This is when I was really excited to finish and not rushing myself and not giving myself any pressure. So this just happened. There will be a lot of flowers, painted and 3D flowers hanging, so I needed to start giving it a backdrop. But I really love that color. It's like a bright, not neon, but fluorescent kind of green. It's called key lime, I think, the color. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm gonna do the sky for sure as my next mission, because after that I'm going to go over that area again with the actual painted flowers, and so the top of this will be complete and detailed. And I decided I'm not going to keep this little guy because there's already enough that's gonna happen over here. I'm gonna have rope added to this corner, so I don't want it to be too much. So I'm gonna get rid of the little guy. I mean, he's just gonna fade more and more. I'm not going to just erase him. He'll still be there. I had accomplished making my client happy already. This looks way better than the little crayon drawing, so I can only imagine what it's gonna look like when it's finished. She was already very, very happy with what I had done. And so at this point, I was just trying to make myself happy, but I was already happy because I was grateful again. Guess what came in the mail? Wow, I was about to leave. She told me that this came in the mail, and I was actually painting these flowers onto the wall. Little flowers based off of the photo that they have on Amazon, but now I have the actual one. So I know I'm using the right colors, and it's the perfect size and length, which is good. That's exciting. They're gonna be basically the same length. Yay! And I'm painting the same exact leaves too, which is cool. I'm thinking too much. I'm just going to pray. I'm just going to pray. I pray that I have the patience and the ambition to do everything I have planned for this session and to complete this mural. I'm halfway there by the grace of God, by the grace of you, and I am just going to do what I was said to do. No, I want to redo that prayer. There's more that I want to say, just not focused. Dear Lord, I thank you for another day, another life start. I thank you for putting me in places and spaces that are inspiring to me and can lead me to the next level of my life. I'm so grateful for the gift you've given me. I pray that I can use my gift to help others, to make others smile. I pray that you will give me the strength, peace, ambition, focus to complete what I need to on this day, and that it will contribute to the overall finished mural. That today's session will most importantly be filled with passion and ease and happiness. If I have any ounce of fear, I know that you are always there with me. I pray that I remember that and never forget it. Even though I don't have all the words right now, I know that you will be with me, and for that I will remain confident. I ask that you give me the techniques. I ask that you use my hands I want to do this painting with the help of you. Can't believe I'm here. Thank you, Jesus. Any other blessings to come after this was on me. It was on God. It was on the energy that I possessed, because I knew that by staying positive, by staying happy, confident, grateful, all that stuff, that only better can come out of it. So we were playing. This was playtime here. I was focusing on what worked, not what didn't work. Productivity plays a major role. When you have a purpose, most likely you understand the difference between that and a passion. I think it's possible to have both. I think it's possible to only know one. Most people know their passion. Like me, I knew my passion and did not know my purpose fully. There are some people that may know their purpose and don't have their passion yet because they don't know which route to take, you know? I knew my route was painting, so I didn't know how I wanted to go about it, what I wanted to do with it. I have this gift in a box and I don't know what to do with it, you know? So that was my angle. That was me. Passion without purpose. I understood that my search for purpose was over because I was letting my passion work for it. I was letting my passion be what it is and feeling the happiness in between. I wasn't in search for it. Your purpose is nothing without the productivity. If I didn't, respond to that call to do this, would I even be where I am right now mentally? Whatever. Okay, so this was an eventful day. There are a lot of things happening. I needed to get busy, for real. Elephants are evolving. The sky is even a lot more detailed. I'm doing pointillism to handle the sky. I have a lot of detail that I am working on that probably won't even be noticed, but I need every part of this mural to be a well done painting. That's just me. Every single corner matters to me. I'm gonna start working on this zebra again. I did a lot of coloring. Even the sky is fluorescent in some areas. I'm working on that so that the sky could be really glowy. I'm actually doing a lot of bark, which takes some time, More bark. I'm working on building texture with paper mache, basically, and paste. Every area that has these white moments, even right here, these are textured paper mache, and I actually have a lot of twine, so I'm adding that so that it is part of this 3D mural. I'm gonna have twine up in the tree coming down as well. Okay, yeah, so it's happening right now. It's actually pretty cool. My client wants a lot of 3D elements. Yeah. Okay. How do I explain this?